Jennifer Lopez knows how to command attention, both on and off the screen. Amidst swirling headlines about her personal life, the superstar graced the Unstoppable premiere in London, proving that her style and charisma remain as radiant as ever. And in a city famous for its grand premieres, the night was electric with anticipation. All eyes were on Jennifer as she stepped out of her car, effortlessly captivating the crowd with a warm smile and a powerful presence that signaled she was there to celebrate her craft, leaving all drama behind. London was buzzing with excitement as Jennifer Lopez arrived for the European premiere of Unstoppable, her latest film that tells a story of resilience and courage. Despite the recent media frenzy surrounding her divorce from Ben Affleck, Jennifer put all personal matters aside to deliver a show-stopping look on the red carpet. Wearing a gown that combined elegance with a touch of daring, she seemed to embody the very essence of the film, determined, unbroken, and shining bright. It was clear that tonight, for J.Lo, was all about the movie and her fans. The multi-talented actress, singer, and producer brought her a game, reminding everyone that she's not only a pop culture icon, but also an unstoppable force in the entertainment world. She walked with confidence, her every move radiating the message that she was in every way, stronger and more focused than ever. Jennifer Lopez stole the show in an eye-catching ensemble, opting for a luxurious gown that showcased her signature sense of style. The dress, crafted from layers of shimmering fabric, was paired with minimalist jewelry and subtle, yet flawless, makeup, highlighting her natural glow. Her choice of attire was both bold and sophisticated, capturing the spirit of her character in Unstoppable, while making a style statement that will no doubt be remembered as one of her most iconic red carpet moments. Even amid personal challenges, Jennifer's undeniable glamour shone through, leaving no question that she still reigns as one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Her confident smile and graceful presence reminded fans and the media that Jennifer Lopez is indeed unstoppable. And on a night where the focus could have shifted toward her recent divorce, she skillfully redirected it to what matters most to her: her work, her fans, and her ongoing journey in Hollywood. Jennifer's public appearance comes on the heels of a challenging period in her personal life. Following her recent divorce from Ben Affleck, media speculation has been rampant, with fans and tabloids alike keen to understand what went wrong. However, Jennifer has chosen to keep her focus on her career, stepping out with elegance and poise despite the headlines. In interviews, she briefly acknowledged the challenges of maintaining a high-profile relationship, but emphasized her commitment to moving forward with grace. In the face of personal heartache, she showed resilience, choosing to move forward rather than dwell on the past. Her attendance at the premiere sent a message loud and clear: Jennifer Lopez is here to shine, no matter the circumstances. And as she graciously signed autographs and took selfies with fans, it was clear that her connection with her audience remains as strong as ever. Her smile, genuine and warm, seemed to say, "Thank you for standing by me." Unstoppable isn't just another film for Jennifer. It's a project that holds a deeper meaning. The movie, which tells an inspiring story of perseverance, resonates with Jennifer's journey. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes life's challenges make us stronger, and that resilience can lead to something extraordinary. In Unstoppable, Jennifer's character faces unimaginable odds, and the film echoes Jennifer's own experiences of resilience, rising above difficulties, refusing to let setbacks define her, and constantly evolving into a stronger, wiser version of herself. In an interview at the premiere, Jennifer spoke passionately about the movie's significance, saying, "I think Unstoppable is more than just a film. It's a celebration of the human spirit, and I couldn't be more proud of it. I hope everyone leaves the theater feeling inspired." Her words resonated with fans, many of whom have followed her journey over the years and seen her overcome various obstacles with grace and determination. For Jennifer, this film isn't just a role. It's a testament to the power of resilience and the strength that lies within. Much like her character in the film, Jennifer has faced her own share of struggles, both in her career and personal life. Yet each challenge has only made her stronger. From a young girl with big dreams in the Bronx to a global superstar, Jennifer has faced countless ups and downs. But each time, she's risen higher, learning, evolving, and growing along the way. And as she shared this message of hope at the Unstoppable premiere, her fans couldn't help but feel inspired by her journey. For Jennifer, her fans have always been a source of strength. Despite everything, she took time to connect with them, reminding her loyal followers that she's grateful for their unwavering support. As she moved along the red carpet, stopping to greet fans who had waited hours just for a glimpse, it was clear that Jennifer never forgets the people who have supported her from day one. Her heartfelt interactions with her fans prove that, despite her superstar status, she remains grounded and appreciative of the love she's received over the years. Her appearance at the premiere wasn't just about the movie. It was a show of gratitude to those who have stood by her through every high and low. And if one thing was clear tonight, it's that Jennifer Lopez is far from giving up. Each smile she shared, every moment she spent with her fans, echoed the same powerful message. Jennifer Lopez is here to stay, stronger and more unstoppable than ever. Jennifer Lopez has always been a woman of remarkable resilience. From the start of her career to this latest chapter, she has overcome countless obstacles, proving that she's more than capable of weathering any storm. As she took the spotlight at the Unstoppable premiere, her message to the world was unmistakable. No matter what comes her way, Jennifer Lopez is determined to keep moving forward. And as she left the premiere that night, she did so with the knowledge that she had reminded everyone of her enduring spirit. With her radiant appearance at the Unstoppable premiere, Jennifer Lopez reminded everyone that true strength comes from within. Even amid personal struggles, she continues to inspire and empower. Jennifer is more than a star. She is, indeed, unstoppable. As she moves forward in this new chapter of her life, Jennifer Lopez proves that she's not just a Hollywood icon. She's a symbol of resilience, grace, and the indomitable human spirit.